Hey, what's up? It's Leah from Fourthwall. Today we're going to be talking about passive income streams for content creators. Now, if you don't know what a passive income stream is, it's basically another source of income that's not coming from your main source of income or employer. And usually passive income streams are something that don't take too much effort to maintain. Diversifying your streams of income is a super important part of being a content creator and growing your business. This way you have multiple streams of income, and if your content stops performing as well on a certain platform, or if a certain platform just stops hosting your content at all, you have other forms of income to rely on. With that being said, let's jump into a couple different things you can do to diversify your streams of income. To start off, subscription memberships are a really common way creators diversify their income. This allows for your supporters to directly support you by subscribing to you for a fee that's reoccurring. This can be a monthly fee, or some platforms like Fourthwall also offer an annual fee. Platforms you can do this on include Fourthwall, of course, Patreon, Ko-fi, and more. I'll drop a link in our description below that compares these platforms so you can pick the one that's best for you. Next up is selling your own products or merch. With this method, viewers can buy really cool products that you create and support you in return. Obviously, I'm a little biased, but Fourthwall is a really great platform to get started if you want to sell products or merch. Fourthwall is completely free to use, and we offer so many print-on-demand products, which are really great for getting started. If you don't know what print-on-demand is, basically, if one person orders a product, only one of that product is produced. This way, you don't have to worry about any excess inventory, and you don't have to pay any money up front. The cost of production is deducted from the price your customer pays. If you're interested and want to set up your own shop, you can check out this video, which is a thorough walkthrough of how to use the platform, and I'll also link it in the description. Now, if you love teaching your community new things and feel like you have a lot of knowledge to share, you could create your own online course or write an ebook. You could easily sell these as a digital product on your store or include this in your memberships offering, or you could even host it on an online course offering platform like Skillshare. If you're on TikTok and you always see people promoting their TikTok shop or linking to things on Amazon in their bio, they're probably doing affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is a great way to earn passive income because you can post about products that you already really enjoy and then just gain income when someone purchases that product through your link. Just a good thing to note with affiliate marketing, even though there's so many products out there you can promote, make sure you stick to ones that are true to you and your community. This will build up a lot of trust in your community, and they'll always be able to trust your recommendation and know that you're not just recommending something for the commission. Now, keep in mind that income streams don't just develop overnight. It takes a lot of consistency, just as it does with content, to build those streams of income so you can have a comfortable flow. Whether you're just getting started or you've been a creator for a while, it's never the wrong time to diversify your streams of income. Start small, experiment with what you like, and build from there. Let me know in the comments down below if you've tried out any of these, and if so, which ones have been working best for you. Also, if you have any other tips for creators that are looking to diversify their income, let me know. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you soon. Bye.